You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What is C2C, or why is the Trigima C2C T-shirt the most environmentally friendly T-shirt in the world? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And let's start with what is T2C. C2C stands for Cradle to Cradle. It is kind of a blueprint for sustainable business. It is a world driven by consumption and waste, but C2C, cradle to cradle, means that after the product is used, this product could be then, as a part of the circular economy, being recycled or circulated in a way that at the end of the lifespan it is 100% eliminated through natural processes. C2C was developed by chemist Michael Braungart and the architect William McDonough. They created a vision of having a product used forever. Well, maybe not. But once the usage term is over, then to put it back into the natural ecosystem where it will be composted. Interesting, right? Does this matter for you? Well, let's think about what goes beyond sustainability. The traditional sustainability models focus on minimizing the harm for the environment. So in a way, it could be seen as a damage control. C2C, however, uses a different way. It uses a regenerative approach. Business adhering to the C2C model rethink the product design from inception, ensuring that all materials used are 100% biodegradable, which means it leaves no trace. So buttons, threads, whatever it is, could be made out of paper, cardboard, could be made out of recyclable material, which could be separated. But more important, if you take a T-shirt and put it back into your garden, dig it in, it should completely biodegrade within a certain amount of time. Trigima, Puma, the German fashion provider C&A, have pictured those C2C certificates all over, providing that innovation and profitability can go hand in hand. What are legal implications? C2C sounds good. C2C is very compelling, but C2C may, in certain jurisdictions, considered to be consumer misleading if the country where the C2C label is used does not have a full interpretation and definition of what C2C means. It also means that in one country it may get a C2C sticker, in the other country it does not. Let's talk about the European Union. In the European Union, the Circular Economy Action Plan, also known as CEAP, is in place, and it gives us waste directives. It gives us frameworks how it could be done, and especially what is necessary to qualify and to classify a product as C2C. In the US, we do not have a similar federal regulation. We have certain high-stake initiatives. Some states are discussing a C2C circular model, but for example, if you want to export something into the United States, just make sure that your disclaimers match the legal requirement. For businesses operating in more than one jurisdiction, there are opportunities and challenges, of course, to define in which country your C2C product would work. Is C2C a global growth strategy? Some people think that a C2C label is good. It's just as good as a B Corporation or as any other labels you can stick on a product and the consumers will buy it. However, I'm not sure about that. Governments are more and more regulating the environmental impact. Governments worldwide are looking into how sustainable practices can be incentivized by companies. This goes into this whole discussion point of ESG, which stands for environmental, social, and governance criteria. Sustainability in your business could be attractive for funding, for regulatory, and for consumer happiness. Embedding C2C principles, you could reduce your bad feel and create a good feel, which would lead into good feel customers who want to buy your products. But by the same token, it's good for the environment, and this should be the main driving force. You, as a global operating business leader, should think about C2C as an opportunity. Transition from a linear economy to a circular economy seems to be the good old past, because we all think in the circular economy right now, where recycling makes sense. But what we have here right now is, if at the end of the recycling program there's waste left over, make sure this waste is 100% biodegradable. In my opinion, this is a true reformation which is over and beyond compliance. It is a mind shift indeed. The question is no longer if business should adopt circular principles or C2C concepts. The question is rather how they can integrate them fast enough in order to stay relevant. As global leaders, what steps will you take to ensure that your business will thrive in a circular economy or in a C2C economy tomorrow?
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.